Hi friends, I'm Natalie Carey, and today you're joining me for a standing core workout that's gonna help support you in your goal of getting up off the ground. It's also great if you wanna do a core workout, but you can't get down to the floor, or if you choose to stay standing. I do recommend that you've got a foam roller or something that's sturdy that you can hold on to for balance if you need it. And then also, if you have trouble reaching down towards the floor from a standing position, maybe have a couple of yoga blocks nearby to help bring the floor up to you. We're starting with standing bicycles. Hands come behind your head. Lift up one knee, elbow comes to the opposite knee, replace. Elbow goes to the other knee, replace. Now, if I needed some support for balance, keep going. I could bring this foam roller closer to me to have it right there in case I need it. Little security blanket, we love it. You can also do this close to a wall. So if you're standing close to a wall, you've got it right there. You can hold on to it with your hand. Either way, great option. And I'm reaching that elbow over to the knee, trying to twist my torso. Twist that spine, get those abdominal muscles to rotate me. Last one, feet come down to the floor, hands come to your sides. I slide one hand down towards my knee and pull myself back up to standing. I'm feeling this on the side of my trunk where these muscles are working to pull me back to upright. I wanted to include this in our standing core workout today because a lot of times when we try and stand up off the floor, we're not always in a totally straight position. So it's important to help these obliques get stronger to do that work. Let's go to the other side. Hand reaches towards that second knee and up to straight. This feels both like a stretch and like an ab workout. So if you're feeling both of those sensations, that's normal. Let's do 3 more reaches. And then I'll have you grab those yoga blocks if you want. Great. I'm setting my foam roller over to the side there. I don't need it just yet. Yoga blocks are here if you would like them for support. Forward fold down towards the ground any way you want. Your back can be rounded if you want. Place your hands on the foam roller. Then I want you to lift up with a flat back. Rest back onto your yoga blocks. Bend the knees. Roll the spine all the way up to the top. That's our exercise. We roll back down. You can place your hands on the yoga blocks or on the floor. Lift up with a flat back. Relax down, bend the knees, roll back up. And again, we roll down. Now this is strengthening the back of your body, the muscles in the back of your trunk. You know, this trunk that supports you to help you stand back up. This also might feel like a stretch in your back or in the backs of your legs. Let's do one more and then we're gonna return to those bicycles. Lift up, flat back, release, and roll yourself up. Set any of your props to the side or bring them closer to you if you want. Hands go behind your head for standing bicycles. As I'm doing the bicycles, I'm thinking not just lifting from the front of my legs, but actually crunching forward. Usually I tell you not to round the back, but in this one, it's okay. I want you to access all these muscles in your trunk that can work to help you bring that leg up. Ooh, starting to break a little sweat here. Give me one more on each side, and then we go into our side reaches. Hands come to the side, we reach down, and back up to straight. I noticed that this one might throw some people off on their balance too. You know, bringing your head down and then up. So make sure you've got something close to like that wall or your foam roller for a little added balance if you need it. Last one. Other side. You may notice that you are getting further down than me, that your hand's not getting as far down as me. Either way is good. It's not a competition. We're just trying to both do that same reach and access the same muscles to help pull us back up. Come back to standing. Use those yoga blocks if you need to, rolling forward towards your feet or the blocks. Lift up with a flat back, chest is open. Release to the floor, bend the knees. Roll back up, we repeat. Diving down, head goes first. I lift up, chest is open and proud. Relax, bend the knees. Roll to standing. Let's do 2 more. Chest opens, back is flat. I'm feeling it in my back muscles because they're working to lift me out of that low position. 1 more. And you can do that lift with soft knees or straight knees, whatever feels good to you. We're going into our last round here. Same 3 moves. Let's try to make them the best yet. Hands on head, standing bicycles, 3, 2, and 1. On this last set, I'm focusing on twisting as much as I can, bringing that knee up as high as I can. Bicycles are a movement we can typically do on the floor. You would be lifting your chest towards that knee, so we're replicating that here. Oh, I feel I'm getting deeper into this movement. Okay. A few more seconds here, and then we'll go into our standing obliques that reach towards your knees. Last one, stand up tall and reach. You also might notice as you go through these movements a few times, body starts to warm up. You're able to go further into each motion. Maybe muscles don't feel as stiff. Last one, and other side. So that's just good information. Like, if I move, my muscles feel better. They move better. They do more things for me. Good information to remember. Let's do 1 more and then coming into that forward fold. Good, grab your yoga blocks if needed. We're diving down, we've got 4 of these. Come on down. Again, you can have the knees straight or soft as you lift up off the floor, lower back down, and now we do bend the knees to roll back up. Come on down. This move also might be really challenging. Lift up, lower down. If you have trouble coming up from this standing position, touching your toes. So again, use any props that you need. Lift up, release, knees bend, roll it back up. You can do this close to a door jamb, a sturdy piece of furniture. You don't just have to stop at using those yoga blocks. Lift up, release, and roll back up, coming all the way up to standing. Excellent. Thank you so much for joining me for this workout today. I'm Natalie Carey. Thanks for taking care of yourself today.